Hello guys, welcome to Zortiactify YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can make $100 per day. Now let's open Dex Scanner. The name of the coin is Artificial Intelligence. Here you can check the details about it in their site. They have their own roadmap and everything you need to check before investing in any coin. Today I am going to tell you about this project, how you can earn $100 per day. Actually, if we look at the chart, we can find the scalping opportunity. Here we can see that after one green candle there are always 2 to 3 red candle, and draw a line here. We can find that comes at the same position. So if we take entry, for example, if we take entry here, we can make a profit of roughly 25 to 28% or 30%. It's depend on you. When I'm going to tell you that you can scale here and earn a good amount of profit. We all know that the market is bearish, so I am going to invest here $50 and I can take a profit of roughly 20% or 25%, not more than that. For example, this is today's candle. Here one red candle and it shown, and it then goes up. For example, here also we can see that after red candle it goes 35% up. So you can make a good amount of money by scalping on this coin. You take your entry here and close it here at 20% profit. It depends on you. You can take also 35% profit if you are a risk taker. So it's all about today's video. I am going to post daily videos on such topics related to DeFi. You can subscribe our channel for more updates.